Hi, the Inspired Actor here with today's bonus archetypal action of Hold My Ground. Hold my ground. Begin in a neutral stance. Feet shoulder width apart, arms at your side, chest open and radiating. Breathe, and on your exhale, perform the following movements. Remembering your feeling of ease, close your hands into fists and place them on your hips. Simultaneously and willfully widen your stance. While maintaining this position, radiate the feeling of the gesture with your full, concentrated energy. Once you sense the gesture is at an end, return to neutral. Do not rush the ending of the gesture or let it continue after you feel it has concluded. And that is Hold My Ground. This gesture, as taught by the Great Lakes Michael Chekhov Consortium, is based on Leonard Petit's 6 archetypal actions. According to Mr. Petit, there are 6 statements of action that all other actions are based in. I give, I take, I yield, I reject, I hold my ground, and I want. If you would like to read more about his take on archetypal actions, I'll put a link to where you can buy his book, The Michael Chekhov Handbook, in the notes. It's been a while since I talked about archetypal gestures, so if you are lost, just click on the card above or see the link in the notes. In brief, we are using archetypal gesture in order to place our intentions fully in our body. Practicing with these actions or gestures when making your choices in your scene will help you fully connect your psychological action with your physical body, with the goal of being a more dynamic and concentrated use of your abilities on stage and on film. Once you have done these gestures fully, you can begin to veil them, gradually taking away the physical action, but keeping the willful intention. With practice, this can really change your action for the better, making it clearer to both yourself and your audience, and creating a dynamic energy in your scene that is unmistakable. As a reminder, Mr. Petit's archetypal actions are different from archetypal gestures in that they refer to your actions only, and may not be useful with regards to finding a character or gesture of a moment, atmosphere, or play. Archetypal gestures can serve as a basis for action, character, scene, atmosphere, entire script, entire experience of that script, and much more. And this concludes my videos on Leonard Petit's archetypal actions. There is no physical action for I want that I know of, but if you know of one, let me know in the comments. There are, though, many different archetypal gestures and variations that I haven't covered yet, so stay tuned for those. As always, when doing these gestures, please remember your feeling of ease and your feeling of form. See you later, colleagues.